Hello, and thank you for viewing this video. This is the demonstration video for the product costing and materials list software. As you can see, this will be one of the first pages that you'll come across when you when you purchase the spreadsheet. You can put in the current VAT rate in case the government changes that again. You can actually alter that. You've also got different categories of markups. Now, this software is ideal for people who are making up product hampers or gift baskets, things of that nature. But obviously, as I show you how it works, you'll be able to decide whether it will work for your business or not. But obviously, each of these products you want to have different kind of markups. Some of them may be more elaborate, and you want to have a higher markup. Some may be simpler or cheap, or whatever, and you want to have a lower markup. That's up to you. You can create the categories. You can give them whatever name you want here, and the markup percentage over there. The first step then is to capture your materials. So if you click on the second tab, now what I've done is I've already put some materials in here. I'm going for the kind of Valentine's Day type of thing. Now, if you've got your chocolate hearts, balloons, teddy bear, pink sweets, so you would give all of your materials a code. You would capture the description, the unit, so a pack of 10 or each, the unit price exclusive of VAT. This column here just shows you if there's an error, if you filled something in incorrectly. Supplier name, you can put the supplier name down, and the supplier code, should you want to put that down as well. This would be obviously all of the products, regardless of which hamper they're in. You capture all of your products down in this list over here. Next, what you would do is you would actually then create the products. Now, as you can see here, you just type in P001, whatever product code you want. You select the gift hamper. Then what you do is you go to material code, and if you click on there, you'll see there's a list of the material codes that we've created on the first page. You would just select the one that you want. Once you've selected that one, all of this information in the orange will fill in automatically. That'll bring the information from the first sheet. And then you've got your quantity. You put your quantity in of how many of these units, how many packs of 10 chocolate hearts are in this particular hamper, which is the P001 hamper. You put in 2, and it would give you the individual material price. Now, you would put in as many entries in here for each hamper as you have products in that hamper. So as you can see, I've selected 3. There are 3 different products in that hamper. There they are. There are the quantities of those products, and it gives me a description. So those products will make up a P001 hamper. You can then start with P002, and you can put whatever products, list them all individually as to which products then fall into a P002 hamper. Then what you can, let's just say for argument's sake, you put in the P002 and you forget that there's actually another product in the P001. You can add that in afterwards, and you can just sort it by using these sort buttons. You can sort by any of these columns. Once you've done that and you've actually got now this is your product, your product list, you can then click on labor. Now you can see there it pulls out all the individual products. So it says you've got a P001 product, which is a Valentine's gift hamper. It asks you for the labor cost. How much does it cost you actually to put this hamper together? And it asks you select your markup category. And that would obviously be from your first page where you created the markups. You can select which markup category that product is in. Once you've done that, you can click on here and you can see your price list. It gives you your hamper, it gives you your materials cost, it gives you your labor cost, shows you what markup it's in, gives you the markup category, obviously the exclusive price, the markup price, and it gives you the total selling price exclusive of VAT for that hamper. Now, obviously, if you had more hampers, you'd have them all listed down below, and you would have a complete product list of all of your hampers. Now, let's just say, for argument's sake, one of these material prices change. If you go back to material, change the price over here, and go back to your price list will now show the new changes. So you don't have to, if one particular product goes up or down in price, you don't have to then go and recalculate all of these prices. You just change the price in the materials list, and it will alter this one to come up with the correct price. Now, that already is probably worthwhile spending the money on this product, but there's even more. If you have a look at the costing and material list, This one at the top here, let's just scroll to the top of the page. You can put in the person's name. Let's just say you're doing a quote for someone or a party or an event. You can put in the name and the date, and you can list all the products that they wish to purchase, put down a quantity of how many they wish to purchase, and you can come up with a price. It'll give you the total price, obviously, for each line, and it'll give you the total price, obviously adding the VAT, and give you a total price that you need to charge for all of those hampers that you're making. But the beauty of this product is if you actually scroll even further, it'll give you a complete material list. So it will tell you each material that you require. It'll give you a description, the units. It'll even tell you your supply code and your supplier if you put that information in. And it'll show you how many of each of these products you require in order to make up this complete order over here. So I'm sure you can obviously see how valuable that would be to you and whether or not your company would be able to use it or not. So thank you very much for having a look at this demonstration. If you're watching from the website, then great. You can download a PDF brochure or place an order from the store website. If you found this video on YouTube, then there will be a link appearing shortly where you can click to visit the website at spreadsheetsolutions.pw. Thank you very much for your time. Goodbye.